Now next is pun. Pun is actually a play of words. Sometimes, very rare time only, we can see certain line when we read, we may get more meanings or ideas. Sometimes that sentence, wherever we give pause, it gives different meaning. Listen to my example. It's not there in the screen. This example, when I am giving, you can write it and see yourself. If I say, they are visiting professors. They are visiting professors. Did you get two meanings? Okay. If you give pause, they are visiting professors. Where did I give pause? After are. Second time when you read, you have to give pause in a different place. That is, they are visiting professors. What is the difference? First sentence, that means there are a group of professors, they are visiting professors. Visiting professors means they are not regular professor, they visit once or twice in a week or in a month in order to give you lecture. And the other meaning, when I give pause on the after the third word, that is, they are visiting professors. That means someone is going to visit professors. It is called pun. Now look at the examples which are given on the screen. With her marriage, she got a new name and a dress. Try to get the meaning. With her marriage, there is a pause. She got a new name and a dress. That means she got one new name and a new dress. But if you are reading it as and a dress, that means she got a new address. Reading while sunbathing makes you well read. Here, one is read, that color, and the other one is getting knowledge. Next one is paradox. A paradox is a statement that is self-contradictory because it often contains two statements that are both true, but in general cannot both be true at the same time. It's not that much complicated and all. I'll make you understand in a simple way. That is, paradox means two opposite statements, two contradictory statements. Example, the more you try to control other people, the more you force them to control you back. So here two statements are given which are contrast to each other, opposite to each other. It is called a paradox. Next one I am going to explain to you is synecdoche. Spelling you see synecdoche, synecdoche. This figure of speech, it's very easy. Don't get confused with the explanation given on the screen. I will make you understand in an easier way. Synecdoche means a part stands for a whole and a whole stands for a part. This much only you have to remember. A part meant for a whole and a whole meant for a part. Sorry. If I say, I have 4 mouths to feed at home, what is the meaning of that 4 mouths? Do I really have 4 mouths? No. The mouths represent family member, the whole body. That means I have 4 family members to feed at home. More examples are given here. Now next one is metonymy. It's a figure of speech where an object's name is replaced with another name. Don't get confused, leave it. Metonymy, meta means another, anymy means name. That means another name. I'll give you example, then you will understand better, not which is given on the screen. If I say, respect white hair, whom you will give respect? That means elders. Yes or no? But that example is not suitable nowadays because you can't see anyone having white hair around, correct? Okay, so another example, if I say, respect the chair, are you going to respect the chair? No. That chair means what? The person who is sitting on the chair, sitting on a particular post. That designation. So something stands for some other thing. If another example, if I say kettle boils, kettle means a particular pot, yes or no? If I say kettle boils, do I mean the kettle is boiling? No, actually the liquid inside the kettle is boiling. Now look at the examples given here. The pen is mightier than the sword. Actually pen is not powerful, mightier means powerful, but the words which we write by using the pen may be mightier, powerful than the wound that can be made by using a sword. So pen stands for word and sword stands for the wound. Next one is an interesting one, transferred epithet. Transferred epithet. Epithet, remember the word epithet. Epithet means adjective. If an adjective, in a sentence, if an adjective is shifted, transferred means shifted from one particular place to another place, it is called a transferred epithet. Example, if I say, I had a busy day yesterday. I had a busy day yesterday. Let me ask a question. Who was busy yesterday? Of course, I, the person. But I said busy day. That busy adjective, though I was busy, I have added that busy with a day. That is called a transferred epithet. Other examples are, my tired legs need rest. Who want rest? I want rest, not my legs. But that tiredness has been shifted from me to legs. Sleepless night. So many examples are there in a day-to-day life. You can see. So again I am repeating, epithet means adjective, transferred means shifted. So transferred epithet means what? In a particular line, adjective is shifted from a word to which it properly belongs to some other word. He stood upon a dizzy cliff. Cliff, you know, na? The topmost point of a mountain and all. So one who climbs upon the cliff, he became dizzy, not the cliff. He passed a sleepless night, etc. Next one, oxymoron. Oxymoron means opposite qualities. Opposite words I taught you already, that is antithesis. Oxymoron means opposite qualities. It is a type of antithesis. Oxymoron also is an antithesis. Antithesis, opposite words, but oxymoron means that opposite words show opposite qualities. Example, if I say, Raju is regularly irregular. Of course, it is antithesis, regular, irregular. But being regular, being irregular, that shows two opposite qualities, so it is oxymoron.